Good morning, guys. Today is our last day today with my mom. Big thing. Tonight we're staying in Chiang Mai because we have a flight early the next day to Bangkok. We have skipped our run like we normally do. We just kind of woke up and felt like we wanted to enjoy our day, just take things slowly. Got a whole ton of washing to do, everything packed, and it's really nice and sunny as well. We're gonna take my mum and her boyfriend out for dinner this evening just to say thank you for having us. We've been staying in 2 different rooms, so we've got a bit of stuff in here, but also like all our stuff's in the cupboards. These are our washing piles. Some more clothes over there. Yeah, there is stuff absolutely everywhere, and I just need to make sure that we haven't forgotten anything, and also I just want to make sure it's nice and clean for my mum. I don't want her cleaning up after us. We are grown adults now.
Who killed my dog?
So this morning we have decided to go all out, and we've got some scrambies, the baked beans. She's making some iced coffee for us. And I'm gonna have it with some toast and olives. No, I'm joking. So yeah, a good old English.
Good old English horn.
Can you guys see it? Oh, devil fly. Oh. But yes, we are having a lovely English breakfast before we go back to England. Normally we have mango, but sadly Mother didn't cut us up any mangoes today. But she knew this was our last day. I think she's sad. She couldn't quite bring herself to cut up
The last mango.
the last mango. Instead, she just left a can of beans on the side. No, she made us lunch today, so which is nice. Right, I think we're nearly there. You're making my breakfast go cold. It's weird. Ah! I'm being so brave for you guys. Why are you pushing me away? So we finally made a dent in our packing situation. I just kind of like fold up something and then I walk around the bed for a bit, and then I fold up something else. And then I look off into the distance at a wall, and yeah, but we're getting there. There's more mess than there is organized tidiness. But I think that's like with anything, you know, when you tidy your bedroom and you like pull everything out and it just looks messier, but you know it's going to be tidy. G, however, lovely stuff. Look at that rolling skill. Yeah. But we're just going to go put on a whitewash now. What a good boy. So we're going to go take the doggos out for one last final walk. Just rallying up the troops. Who's coming to the lake?
Lucy! No jumping. No jumping.
Yes. You ready? Yes. Oh! So we're going to walk through the garden. Lots of butterflies out. These are all of Mum's long gone trees. They're coming into season now, so they'll need picking soon, as well as the limes. Wow! Look at all the butterflies. We scared them all away. Oh. They're certainly taking their sweet time. Whoa! So this is the path we run up every day. It's quite tiring because it's all on quite a steady incline. So really gets your quads burning, you know. But before, when we first got here, about 2 months ago, all of this was brown, dry earth. None of the trees had any leaves or greenery on them because there's been a massive drought as of recently, because now we're in the rainy season. It's completely transformed since we've been here. Yeah, it's just crazy. Before it just seemed like this burnt, desolate land, and now it's transforming into mountain, jungle, wildlife, which is awesome. I just cannot believe it. I cannot believe we're literally going to be home. What day is it today? Friday. Within the next 72 hours. Mental. So through this bit, it leads to another little lakes section over there. Call those the marshlands because it's just like this swampy, ashy frog area. People like to go in there and find some froggies. But this place we're going to now is roughly a 10-minute walk away, so it's really not far at all. I've been bitten all down my leg. I'm so itchy. All right, we're nearly there. Look at the view. They're black and white and they just fly everywhere. This is our new little spot where we like to take the dogs. We came here yesterday actually and we saw these 2 wild doggies and they swam and crossed over to the other side and it was super sweet. Welcome to our oasis.
Careful. No, careful, you need to...
Oh,
You just did poo.
did it? To come here and fish, so they have these little bonfires they leave behind.
Your way defeats my life.
I can't believe it. The 2 of the dogs, Lucy and Bam, swam to the other side and they just swam all the way back. We've never seen them swim before. I don't know if they literally just learned how to swim or done it before, I'm not sure. But they did so well. Come on, guys. Okay, that's it. Time to head back and carry on with getting stuff done. So, hello. So, as you have probably noticed, I had a bit of an outfit change. Basically, we got back home and I was in such a rush because I had nothing packed, and we're heading out to take my mum out for dinner this evening. So, hence why I am all dressed up and I have lipstick on for a change. Yeah, I just need to repack my stuff because I was running a bit late and I have like a whole extra bag of just stuff I chucked in. So I'm gonna get to that now. Yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Ready for a day of travel, and I'm really intrigued to see what the airport will actually be like and the flight during this virus. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Say bye, G.
Bye.